Okay, now we will try out these examples in our IDLE. In order to create series, we have to import pandas library using the import statement. Import pandas as PD. I'm giving a short name so that I can use PD instead of pandas. I am also importing our NumPy library. Import NumPy as NP. Okay. Now to create an empty series, I'm using an object S. You remember the syntax, isn't it? Series object is equal to pandas dot. So here instead of pandas, I can give PD dot series. Please note that S is capital here. Enter key. Now we will just see what is there in S. You can see it is an empty list. Nothing is there in the series. Data type, default data type is given as float 64. Okay, this is how we will create an empty series. Now we will create non-empty series. I am taking a series object R is equal to PD dot series bracket. Now let us first create a series using range function. Hope you remember our range function which we have used with our for loops and all. I am giving 2 comma 10 comma 2. What will be the output? I am printing R. Now see, as we have given range here, it increments by 2. Step value is given as 2. So the values starts with 2 and ends at 8 because we have given 10 as the last value. 10 will be excluded. And you can see this first column, and this is the index column. By default, the index values are coming from 0 to 3. We have not specified any index values here. But even if we don't specify, default index values will be given and it starts with a 0. Is it clear? Now let us see another non-empty series. T is equal to PD dot series. Let's use a list instead of range. I'm giving 2, 2.5, comma 3, 3.5, a list like this. Then close the bracket. Now let us print T and see. Here also we have not specified index. So default index value starts with 0 and it's coming till 3. And whatever elements we have mentioned in the list, that is taken as the values of the series. Now let us take another series. P is equal to PD dot series bracket. Let us use arange function of NumPy. Okay, np dot arange. Remember the use of arange function, isn't it? I'm giving 3 comma 14 comma 3.5. Okay, close two brackets, enter key. Now let us see what will be printed in P. Arange function can have floating point values. Here we have given 3.5 as a step value. So first value starts with 3 and the next value is taken after incrementing 3 by 3.5. So like that till 13.5. After that if you increment, that will be out of the range, so it stops there. Here also index is not specified, so default index values have come from 0 to 3. Hope you understood how to create an empty series. Here we have created empty series. How to create non-empty series using a range function, using a list and using a range function.